Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by importing both your background layer and the clip filmed on a solid green or blue backdrop. You want even lighting and minimal shadows so the chroma key can separate cleanly. Make sure your subject doesn't wear the same color. Once both clips are in the timeline, place the keyed clip above the background track and set your canvas aspect ratio, because keying behaves differently in 16:9 versus square. This helps preserve framing as you proceed. Tap the overlay clip and choose Chroma key, then use the eyedropper to sample the background color. This tells Inshot which color to remove. Next, slowly raise or lower the intensity and threshold controls while watching edges. This removes leftover color without chewing into the subject. Once the main color is gone, refine edges with feathering, apply a mask to cut stray areas, and reposition or scale the subject so it sits naturally in front of your background. Now color match the foreground to the background using brightness, contrast, and saturation so the composite feels real. Add a subtle shadow or vignette to ground the subject. Export a short test at your final resolution to catch artifacts or compression issues before doing the full render. If you see halos or color spill, make small adjustments to key intensity and feather, or consider reshooting with improved, even lighting. Better source footage is often the fastest fix for persistent keying problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.